I do have pasty skin.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Welcome back to another What $100 Buys You video, where we go to some of our favorite stores, spend $100, and see what we got for it. I originally wasn't going to do today's store until I realized that I spent $100 there. In other words, I didn't go to the store with the intention of seeing what I could buy for $100. It just turns out that when I was on vacation in Santa Barbara, I went to SAKS off 5th store twice and bought things both times. And I really didn't think about doing a video on it until I got home and realized that the total was $101. The entire clearance section of this off 5th was an additional 50% off the already reduced price. So if there was a red tag on it, cut it in half and that's your price. Now I did go around the store and look at the stuff that was not on clearance, and the prices were not what I would normally spend on a shopping outing. So without further ado, let's try some stuff on. Now I will tell you, I hung all this stuff up already. When I unpacked my bag and took everything out, I hung this stuff up. Well, with the exception of two things, which are sitting right here. Let's put those there. I got 2 dresses, 3 shirts, a pair of shorts, and a pair of pants. Ooh, and I do want to show you. Like I said, there were 2 shopping excursions to this off 5th, and unfortunately I was only able to find one of the receipts, but I do remember what the other one said. Right here at the bottom it says you saved $166.56. Now that is after spending $40. I saved $166. So that's kind of crazy. Also, Abby's in here, so you may hear some snoring. I am going to start with the shirts. Now I like this shirt in particular because it reminded me of something I already have. Do you guys ever do that? You go to a store and you really like something and you realize it's because you already have it? Well, I don't already have this. I have something similar, not so similar that I need to bring this back. So this shirt was originally $48 and then it was marked down to $19.99 and then I got it for $10. So I am going to try this on. Let's see, who's it by. It's French Connection. It's sheer on the top with a V and a little button in the back. And I think I will try that on with, okay, these are shorts from the jean shop. And the tag is right here. These were originally $120. And with the 50% discount, they turned out to be $15. Here's what they look like. I don't wear shorts normally at all. So these are going to go to Ava, but I am going to still try them on. Yeah, I don't, no, shorts, no. I just can't do that to people's eyes. All right, bye. Okay, so these shorts are high-waisted, and that's what all the kids are wearing these days. I would actually like a pair, I know that I said I don't do high-waisted things, but I would actually like a pair that comes up to here, a pair of jeans. So here those are from the front. I like this shirt. It is so, well, it's see-through, but it is so light and soft, and it feels very well made. And the back side. Oh, sorry, Abby, I scared you. Okay, I'm gonna try one other shirt on with these shorts. And I got 2 of them because I thought the style was cute. The weird part was they were each different prices. So I got a gray one and I got a black one. These are SAKS 5th Avenue brand, both size medium. The gray one was $12 and the black one was $8. Not sure why, but here goes the black top. Ready? Here we go. It's a little loose around the pit area, which I don't mind because can you see my pit fat? No, it's hidden. So there's the back and there's my bra. But I would wear a black bra underneath here. It's like a peplum blouse, and it's got some foldovers right here. And I realized it also has a zipper that I did not use when I put it on. So the gray one I'm going to try on with these black jeans. always have to have jeans in my hauls. Are these zippers fake? I mean, I don't want them unzipped, but I like the option. One side unzips. Anyway, these came out to $12 after all the discounts. Let's put them on with this, and then I'll put the gray one on. Okay, these I did try on. I was wearing a dress and I just slipped them on underneath. Otherwise, I usually don't try things on. The surprise is what I enjoy at home at how much I need to bring back because it doesn't fit. You know, they're black jeans. Ooh, it looks like I have a butt for a second. Oh, it's gone. I remember liking these because they are stretchy. They aren't too tight in the leg area, which I find with a lot of skinny jeans. Here I come. Abby's not down there anymore, so. Okay, the gray one. Do I really need to try the gray one on? You see the black one? Let's just do it. We're gonna do it. Yeah, actually this one fits better in the front, the neckline. I don't know. It makes me feel like I work in human resources. You know, a very office-y shirt, although I'm not sure how people in offices dress these days, but it's cute. I like the gray one a little bit better than the black because you can see what little detail it has, like this, and the fact that the back is a different length than the rest of it. So there's that. So here is the next thing. It is second to last. This is Design Lab. I'm not sure if I really know that brand. Okay, the original prices on these things just, you know, they don't surprise me, but I would not pay that. This is $88 for this dress, and I ended up paying $15 for it. And it's just a cute little dress, and I think I will wear it. There's a little shindig going on this weekend, and it's, you know, semi-formal, not real formal. So it may be just the right thing. Anyway, let's do it. What size is it? It's a medium. So let's go. Here it is. And there are those bra straps again. I don't mind this dress. It actually, the thing that I worry about, as you know, is this. But I'm not seeing a whole lot of that. Another thing that I might worry about with a dress like this, because of the color, and although it's thick and has a slip, you can see everything. And I don't just mean what you wear underneath, because I have skin colored stuff underneath, but like that. That's my bra and that's my bingo wing right there. So it would be a little bit difficult to disguise that unless I wore some sort of full body brassiere, but I don't have one. I love the A-line of it. The design on the bottom is just enough to make it more than just a white dress. There's the back. It feels very well made. There's the top. I like it. Okay, so this last dress, both Ava and I agreed that we really liked it, but we didn't know why we liked it. I mean, if you just look at it, it's, you know, it looks kind of like a robe or a muumuu. And I tried it on over my clothing, and it's just a simple dark blue dress with lighter blue flowers. And I found out later, after I bought it, that it has little loops. So there was obviously a string or belt missing, but I didn't care so much because, of course, you know, you either wear it without or you add your own. And I believe I will do the former. This is Isaac Mizrahi, New York. Is that right? Yes. And I'll just try it on right now so that I can stop yapping and you can see what I mean. Yeah, it's like a teacher on Little House on the Prairie. I don't know why I like it. And I like it without a belt. It's lower in the back, split on the sides, and I will find a belt to show you guys, but elastic on the arms. It's very, you know, comfortable, and to me it says, I don't care if I have a waist. And I don't care if you know whether or not I have a waist. It's under there somewhere. And you can either leave it open or tie it up. I'm gonna leave it open. Okay, I'm gonna get a belt of some kind and show you guys what that might look like. Right back. Do you know how long it's been since I've looked at my belts? What the hell is this thing? Sorry. Yeah, so I'm gonna try this super skinny black one just to, you know, appease us and to show us what it looks like with a belt. All right, belted. Blouse it up a little bit. I don't know. Sure, that works. Why not? I do like it tied, but it's just too warm right now. That was very zombie-ish of me. And that's all of the stuff that I bought at Off Fifth, and I think that's a pretty good amount for $100 at a store like that. I realize it's not Saks Fifth Avenue, but yes it is. So what do you guys think? What was your favorite piece of clothing? I have to say it's what I'm wearing right now, Sans belt. Did I say how much this was? I don't think I did. The original price is $108, and I got it for, I want to say, I can't see it from here. I don't know. Subtract all the other stuff, and whatever's left over is how much this cost, plus $1. Anyway, that's it for this What $100 Buys You at Off Fifth. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below, and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye guys.